Yo people, it's Aaron Nathaniel Gem here, and welcome to my house, which is Gem's house. Today we're cooking lobster, mac and cheese. Guys, this is everyone's favourite dish, man. Everyone goes crazy over this dish. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this dish in your comfort of your own home. You ready? Let's do this. Picked lobster meat, Parmesan cheese, plain flour, unsalted butter, Gruyere cheese, panko breadcrumbs, mature cheddar cheese, double cream, lobster stock, and half blanched macaroni pasta. Okay guys, here we have our Canadian lobster chick. Chick size is about 450 grams to 600 grams roughly. So today, I'm literally going to kill it from the head down, not from the tail down. Because if you kill it from the tail down, it's going to feel pain, and I don't want that to inflict that kind of pain in the lobster. That's not really my style, basically. Okay guys, see this? Straight through the head, it's dead. Literally through the tail. There'll be mess everywhere, guys, so make sure you clean your mom's kitchen or wherever you guys are. Take out the brains, because the brains, you don't really want that. I'm going to twist the claws. Keep these bands on, because if you take them off too early, the lobster can cut you. Into salted water, guys, 3 minutes. Okay, guys, that's 3 minutes, done. Take off these bad boys. Guys, remember, it is hot, but I've got chef hands, so you can in the future let it cool down. So the way you clean a claw is, watch me, like this, twist. All the water will come out. Ooh. Twist. Get a cloth, couple bangs, that's it. Do you see it kind of snap? Yeah, that snap there. That's what you want, guys. This is what you want, literally. It might even come out if you're lucky, the whole thing. See that? Simple and easy. Next, cooking these bad boys off. I'm gonna grill them in some butter and some olive oil. Okay guys, for this dish, I'm using chili oil, infused chili oil. You can buy it anywhere. Now I'm gonna season the lobster with some salt. Some molten salt, preferably. And once you see that smoke coming from the pan, literally place your lobsters in it. And you're gonna hear that sizzle. This is what you want. Say that. This is what you want. I'm gonna hear all that sizzle. Checking it now. A little bit more, guys. Moving it as well. See that, guys? Enough. That right there is perfect. Let that sit there with the claws. Okay guys, now I'm adding the butter. I'm gonna melt it down softly and kind of slowly till it's all melted before I add the flour. Remember guys, equal quantities, butter to flour. Yeah. Now adding the flour. See this guys? It's just starting to get thick now. Some chefs like to put a lot more flour and it becomes really thick and lumpy, but I like it to be nice and smooth and even. At this stage, you can add your cold stock. Remember guys, cold stock to this, not hot stock. Always add your stock gradually, like that. Stirring. Add this cream. Again, everything gradually, guys. Now it's important to let it come to the bowl, guys, at this point. Now I want to add all my cheeses. So that's the Gruyere and the cheddar cheese. But saving some Parmesan to grind it in the oven. Then guys, mixing it. That's cool, guys. See this? Nice and velvety. Might want to add some salt to this. And one thing I usually add to this is some togarashi, which is Japanese pepper. Gives it that extra oomph, guys. And that's what you want, guys. Again, keep whisking. So again, once you've added the pepper, I'm gonna add the crab to the sauce. We're adding a special ingredient. It's actually called shiradashi. It's a Japanese sea stock. So I recommend about 30 grams, 30 mils, sorry. Straight into the pan. Again, always whisking. And now at this stage, I can add my pasta. We won't need all of it. If you need to add more stock, if you want it thicker or thinner, please do. So now guys, I'm going to taste it. Again, for me, cooking is all about tasting as you go, guys. Very important. So let's taste it, let's see. Wow. Very good. That should actually just lift it. Okay guys, now I'm going to carefully spoon it into where the brains was. Now I like a lot of sauce in my macaroni and cheese. Especially poured into this lobster. So try and concentrate. Putting all the macaroni and cheese in the brain first. If it spills over, doesn't matter guys, it's part of the dish, man. This is what you want, guys. You see how it's nice and velvety? So it looks messy now, but it's fine. Once it gratinates in the oven, breadcrumbs. So now guys, I'm gonna grate loads of Parmesan. I like to grate it on the grater at this point, but you want loads of Parmesan in there. See that guys? Loads of this Parmesan, sexy. And to finish it off guys, togarashi. Togarashi will soon be your best friend. That's it guys, easy. Okay guys, so yeah, so that's 195 degrees guys for 6 minutes. That's 195, 6 minutes. Let's do this. Voila guys, easy, done. Take this bad boy out. Look at that guys, looks fucking amazing guys. Now, I'm gonna season the tails. I'm gonna put them in a hot pan with hot oil. Yep, perfect. Looking about literally a minute guys. You know what I mean? I want it to be glazed with a bit of yuzu juice. Yeah. See how that sizzle? Moving it around in the pan. Yeah. Perfect. That's nice. Bit of that sauce in there, guys. Yeah. That's what we want. And garnish our lobster mac and cheese. Like that. Perfect. Fresh picked basil. A little bit of basil oil. Keep it nice and moist. And that's it guys. Lobster mac and cheese, grilled lobster tails, and fresh basil. Guys, I can't lie, you know, I'm super happy with this dish. It has the flavour that I promised you guys, you know. There's the Belgian one has that shiradashi in there, the lobster stock in there, the cream, the flour, the butter, and the cheese, you know, the Gruyere cheese. I can taste that Gruyere cheese. This is what I want in my food, to have simple ingredients and loads of flavour. And I'm super gassed with this dish, super gassed. So yeah guys, you have it. Lobster mac and cheese, grilled tails, basil. Let's do this. Till next time guys.